If there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. Happy Teachers' Day, everyone! In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 Indian teachers who gave education a new meaning. So let's get started. The first one is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Apart from serving as the first Vice President and the second President of independent India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was also revered as an eminent teacher of all times. He was born on 5th September 1888. He went on to gain the recognition of an eminent scholar of the 20th century. He believed and lived his life according to the ideology that a true teacher is one who helps us think for ourselves. Next one is Chanakya. Chanakya was an ancient Indian teacher, philosopher, economist, jurist, and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. He was the author of 2 books, Niti Shastra and Arth Shastra. Chanakya Niti consists of a list of sutras that are thought-provoking and essential for a successful life. Next one is Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on May 7, 1861. He is another noted Indian personality known for his scholastic excellence. Alongside being a writer, he was one of the freedom fighters who raised his voice against the British. According to him, learning through activities was the sure short means to develop the physical and mental faculties of a child. Next one is Swami Vivekananda. In addition to being one of the most prominent Indian reformers of the bygone era, Swami Vivekananda was also a man of unparalleled intellect. He was a staunch believer and a supporter of the Gurukul system, a practice of education where students and teachers lived together. Through his teachings, Swami Vivekananda impressed upon the students to face the testing times of life. Next one is Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule is known for her strong voice against the atrocities committed on women. In addition to fighting for the social cause, she was also recognized for her dedicated efforts in promoting the need for girls' education. Next one is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, fondly remembered as the Missile Man of India. Transforming his life from being a scientist, Dr. Kalam, born on 15th October 1931, rose to become the 11th President of India. Known for his practical educational thinking, he was regarded as a visionary who stood up for the integration of modern educational ideas with those of the conventional practice. Next one is Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was constantly on the lookout for freedom and happiness. He renounced his luxurious life and attained salvation after performing a strict penance under a Bodhi tree. He later on became the founder of Buddhism, educating people through his Eightfold Path. He enlisted 8 practices through his discourses. These were right view, right intention, right speech, right livelihood, right conduct, right mindfulness, right effort, and right samadhi.